Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to link your Trust wallet to Treasure NFT. First, ensure your Trust wallet is properly set up and ready for connection. Then, we'll navigate the Treasure NFT platform to initiate the linking process. Finally, I'll show you how to confirm the successful connection and manage your valuable digital assets. This guide will help you securely access your NFTs and participate in the marketplace. Before connecting, it's crucial to prepare your Trust wallet. Make sure your application is fully updated for the best security and functionality. You should also have a small amount of cryptocurrency, like BNB or Matic, to cover any gas fees for transactions. Always keep your recovery phrase safe and never share it. Confirm your wallet is on the correct network for Treasure NFT. Now, let's connect to Treasure NFT. Open your web browser and go to the official Treasure NFT marketplace. Look for a Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner. Click it and choose Trust Wallet from the list of options presented. Your Trust Wallet app will then prompt you to approve the connection. Carefully review the details and confirm the request. After approving the connection, verify that your wallet address is now visible on the Treasure NFT platform, indicating a successful link. You should also be able to see your NFT assets reflected in your profile. Always review any transaction history to ensure everything is correct. For security, remember to disconnect your Trust wallet from the Treasure NFT site once you have completed your activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.